Hi everyone, Chris here, trading with the trend. I had this stock as a long for today on February 16th, 2016, and I'll show you why and how you could have traded it. So this is the daily chart here. The stock, after making this low, bounced up, pulled back, and made a significantly higher low here. And then on this day, yesterday, it just shot up on heavy volume, over 10 million shares. And I'm just going to quickly go over to the weekly here and just show you the potential the stock has to move here. So here the stock was back in March of 2014, so 2 years ago, 250 bucks. Came all the way down to 50. So this stock has got a lot of room to move to the upside. You can see that weekly candle starting to move up there, and a little bounce for the stock could be 20 bucks on a weekly time frame here. So now we'll have a look at the daily again, and this is what the stock did today. So exactly what I'm looking for. Stock actually gapped up, put in a big day to the upside. Volume did drop off a bit, and it didn't close as strongly as it did on this day here. So not looking for another day to the upside tomorrow, but certainly a good day here today. So let's have a look at some smaller time frames and see how we could have actually traded this stock. So here we are on the 5-minute here. The stock, you can see the gap up here, and had a pretty erratic opening here and pulled back, and then came back up towards the highs here. This right here was to me the first possible entry after this red candle right here. So stock opens up, it's wild whippy, it's all over the place, it pulls back, the market also pulled back, so the stock wasn't anything spectacular early on, but it came back up towards these highs here, and then it pulled back, had this single bar pullback. Notice the volume very low, no panic to sell. And this bar right here, as it came over the high of that, very close to the high of the day, as well as these highs right here, and it did make a move up. Not that much of a move, but this here already, this if you're looking at this as one big move on a larger time frame, it's already a pretty big move already. So it didn't have enough gas in the tank to just shoot up on that move there. But after it made that move, it pulled back. And if you don't want to buy that first pullback after this, big move up, completely understandable. And then it came back up, made another new high, just barely, but still a new high right here, and then pulled back again, and another higher low right here. So on this green candle right here, this is another really nice entry above the high of this candle here. You get in right here, you put your stop right there, and from this level here, 72.60 something. Moved up into the 73.50 something area, and if you had managed to hold on, the stock did end up doing another $1.50 or so from there up into this 75 and change level before it started whipping all over the place again. It ended up making a high of 76 on the day, but this was a move that you could have taken right there, and if you wanted to wait until the stock really proved itself, this was your entry right here, and take that first move, sell some here, hold on to a portion of your shares with a trailing stop, and catch a second move up here. So that's how you could have traded this one, and stay tuned for another monster.